This is a video for those who's got watercolor pencils and haven't got access to watercolor at the moment. This is how you can lay it down traditionally. Basically, all you need to do is just go in like that. You have to work a bit harder, okay? But it works. All right? So, see? Simple. And then we move on to another color. Okay, we'll blend into another color here. You put a bit of water on it, and I make a big boo-boo out of my page. So just get a piece of paper that you need, a scrap piece, and do it again. Okay, look. Like that. Simple. Okay, and you can get quite a lot of paint out of your watercolor that way. Okay, so if you've got a pencil, and then you just lay it somewhere to dry. Okay, don't go back into your pocket yet, into your box. Okay, and I might even just dip the tip of the paint, the pencil, into my clean pot. Okay, like that. And I would suggest you to do color swatch for all your color, all your pencils in little squares, so you know, okay? Because sometimes when you lay down your color like this first, and then you go and blend in, somehow some pigments seem to stay onto the page, and you can see like the pencil scratch. And there's another way as well that you could do is dip a little bit of water onto the pencil and then color it in that way first, okay? And then you go in with a clean brush, clean brush. See, it still leaves that kind of scratch mark there, which I do not like. I prefer this method. Honestly, it's really, really good, okay? So you can do so many things with the watercolor pencil this way as well. Okay, so see you later. Bye.